Hey there, this is Casey Kerr from FindYourRoar.com, and I'm back today to talk a little bit more about authenticity, slightly different perspective. So I am wondering if you might be having trouble, difficulty, challenges with your marketing. You know, reaching out to your ideal clients, your ideal prospects, and connecting with them as a way of letting them get to know you and bringing them into your community, into your tribe, into your heart, into your business. I was having a lot of trouble with that, and I have a lot of clients who do, and I really wanted to share with you today something that turned all of this around for me, made it not just easier, but a lot more fun. And I mean that sincerely, because I was so excited to do this video today that I started to record it about an hour ago, and right before a client call, and I was so excited I forgot that I had the client call, so I had to stop and do it again. So the idea is that for me, when I used to think about marketing, it was marketing. You know, I was trying to reach people. I was trying to convey my abilities, my desire, what I could help you with, really trying to broaden my audience, to grow my list, and all of that. Even though it's true and it's all very necessary for business purposes and there's not a thing wrong with it, the way that all of those things made me feel was that it was impersonal. I wasn't necessarily thinking of you on the other end of this video and how you would feel. And so when I thought about social media or blogging, I really just was thinking about the act itself as opposed to thinking about how much I love you and want to help you in your business. And I definitely wasn't thinking about it in terms of just sharing all this stuff that I'm dying to share with you. So as soon as I shifted into that perspective where I really tapped into what I love about what I do and how much I have to share with you, and I just kept it at that, and I thought, how many different ways can I share? I can share in videos. I can share via, social media. I can write quick blogs. And when I thought about it as sharing as opposed to marketing, it's amazing what a difference it made. And when I was thinking not about the vehicle itself, but rather you on the other end of it and how much I wanted to help you, it just changed everything. And it might sound silly, but it's 100% true, and it's me being totally authentic, just like I promised in the last video that I would be. I promised you that, and I promised myself that. So your assignment is to take a look at what parts of marketing you are not enjoying, what doesn't feel good about it, and really ask yourself, do you have your marketing hat on, that filter that separates you from the people that you love to serve, like I was, or like I did have on, or are you really totally focused on your ideal client on the other end of whatever your sharing is? So I'd love to hear your feedback about which side of this you were on and whether or not that helped you, and also what you did differently after doing this assignment, because I can tell you that what I've done differently is I've already done 2 videos this week, and I've had a blast doing them, and I've also created a whole social media template that I can use every single month, and I'm going to share that in a later video so that you know all about the steps that I took to address something that was for me like watching paint dry. So share with me what you get out of this, and I really look forward to that. And until next time, big hugs and a big roar! If you need any help at all, you know where to find me. And one thing that you can absolutely do is go check and see where your own blocks are. What is holding you up? What's holding you back in business? Take a peek at findyourroar.com /energetic-footprint diagnostic and spend 10 minutes getting to see where your blocks are. So again, saying goodbye again. Big hugs and a big roar. Casey Kerr out.